Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're looking at a vital component for anyone maintaining a Canon Imageprograf W-6200 printer, the PRTA 19517 flexible cable replacement part. This cable is crucial for proper printer function, often addressing issues with data transmission or print head movement. Before considering a purchase, there are some extremely important details to understand. The supplier for this replacement part operates with a specific fulfillment policy. Customers will receive either an original refurbished unit or a compatible new one, and this condition is sent entirely by random. There's no option to choose, and the supplier explicitly states, "Please do not order if you mind about this." This is a significant point for anyone with a strong preference for a particular type of part, so it's essential to be aware of this random selection process. Beyond the condition, the next critical step is to meticulously examine the item's appearance, size, and color. It is absolutely essential to compare it directly with your original, existing flexible cable. Printers, especially professional models like the Imageprograf W-6200, can have subtle variations in their internal components. Even if the model number seems to match, a slight difference in physical attributes or connector type could lead to incompatibility. The advice is clear: carefully check item appearance, size, color, and compare with your original item before place your order to make sure it fit your machine. This thorough comparison is a prerequisite for a successful replacement and to avoid potential frustration. Furthermore, while the model number PRTA 19517 is provided for the Canon Imageprograf W-6200, it's important to treat this number primarily as a reference. The ultimate determinant of compatibility isn't just the model number alone. The supplier emphasizes, "Please do not order if item does not look like your original part or part number is not the same." This strongly reinforces the need for a visual match. If the part shown online doesn't visually correspond to what's inside your printer, or if the specific part number on your existing cable differs, it's highly advisable to reconsider the purchase. This small piece of advice can prevent significant hassle and the need for returns. In terms of what's included, the package contains one piece of this flexible cable. It's categorized simply as Other, which is typical for specialized internal printer components. So, for those who are comfortable with the random condition of the part and are diligent about cross-referencing the visual aspects and part numbers, this replacement flexible cable could be the ideal solution to get their Canon Imageprograf W-6200 back to optimal performance. It truly emphasizes the importance of careful pre-purchase verification for a smooth repair.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.